The launcher is your portal to everything that LG Smart TV with WebOS has to offer. To make it appear, simply press this home button on your Magic Remote. You'll see immediately that its fresh, new design is clear, colorful, and easy to understand. In this large white box at the left, you'll see which input or device you're currently using, or the name of the app that's open. Next to that are your 9 most prominent apps, starting with the LG Store. Click it, and you'll have access to a world of TV shows, movies, and apps, which we cover in another video. Built into the launcher are popular premium services such as Netflix, Hulu Plus, Vudu Movies and TV, Amazon Video, YouTube, and Skype, each just a click away. There's also live TV and an integrated web browser, all here in one place. If you want a reminder of what you've been up to on the LG Smart TV, click on this arrow on the left side of the launcher, and you'll see thumbnails of your recently used devices and apps. Use the arrow keys or the cursor to select one you'd like to return to, then click it. To remove an item from the list, click on the X which appears above it when selected. Click on the arrow on the right side of the screen to return to the launcher, and click this right arrow on the launcher to pull up the All Apps menu. It presents all of the choices from the launcher and then some, adding in direct access to any devices like a Blu-ray player or set-top box you might have set up, along with the onboard user guide, the device connector, LG Smart Share, Screen Share, an optional camera, and your notifications. You'll see that the icons are smaller here, and they can extend out the edge of the screen. This list can actually grow as you connect more devices and download new apps. And check this out. If you want to rearrange the icons here in All Apps in an order that works better for you, it's as simple as clicking and holding the one you want to move, then dragging it to a new spot. A slot will open up, and just click once more to drop it in. You can even move some of your All Apps icons into the launcher as one of the first 9. Or if you set up one of your TV inputs with a frequently used device like a video game console, you can move that into the launcher for quicker, easier access. We think you'll find that the new launcher on LG Smart TV with WebOS is fast, fluid, and as intuitive as you want it to be.